Photovoltaic pile driving can be used for both self-generation and external power supply. Suitable for pile driving projects such as building foundations, heavy foundation. Reinforcement high-speed railway power facilities, wind power plants, solar photovoltaic. Power plants and soft soil treatment and reinforcement, easy to operate, able to move. Forward and backward rotate left and right 270 degrees and have two product. Options of 360 degrees. It has the characteristics of fast positioning, pile driving, and pile pulling. And can also be produced according to requirements.